Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you 5 really cool iPhone tips and tricks. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The first trick in this video is how to move multiple apps at the same time. This is useful for moving a bunch of apps to another page, or removing all the apps from a folder much more efficiently. To do this, hold down on an app just like moving it normally, and drag it away from where it currently is. Now you can tap on the other apps, and it will add them to a pile that you can move anywhere on the home screen. To put them down, just let go. If you want to learn how to send delayed text with the Shortcuts app in one of my other videos, click on the banner above, and if you want to get an app from the App Store that lets you watch free movies, click on the banner now. The next trick is how to customize the Control Center. For those who don't know what the Control Center is, it's a quick and easy way to access certain settings and go directly to apps accessible by swiping up. Right now I'm using it to screen record, so the red dot is flashing. To customize it, open Settings and go to Control Center, and then Customize Controls. Here you can add any of the controls and rearrange them by holding and dragging. As an example, I'm going to add the Apple TV remote. Now when I swipe up, the icon is there, and I can tap on it to show the remote. The third trick is how to set a timer that turns off music instead of playing an alarm. This is useful for playing music while falling asleep, so the music will stop playing after a certain amount of time has passed. To set a sleep timer, open the Clock app and go to Timer. From there, open the alarm selection page and scroll to the very bottom where you'll see Stop Playing. All you have to do is select that and start the timer. The fourth trick is how to enable magnifier, which lets you zoom in and take pictures even farther than the camera app allows you to. First open Settings and go to General and then Accessibility. Select magnifier and toggle the switch. Now when you triple click the home button, a button titled Magnifier is available and you can use it to zoom in and take pictures. The final trick is how to make the brightness even less than the lowest setting. To do this, open Settings and go to General, then Accessibility. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Accessibility Shortcut and select Zoom. When you triple click the home button, press Zoom and the screen will zoom in. Use 3 fingers to tap the screen 3 times and a menu will appear. From here, zoom all the way out and select Choose Filter. Choose the option called Low Light and the screen will get dark. Now you can disable this extra darkness by triple clicking the home button again and deselecting Zoom. When you want the screen to be darker than usual, enable Zoom and turn the brightness all the way down. This makes the screen even darker than the lowest brightness setting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.